This micro backpack is so cute and adorable, and my little niece loves playing with it. The pink fur on the outside has a cute happy face and is very soft to touch. It also has pink furry ears and a little sparkly silver glittery bow. On the back is a hook at the top and two little straps. The zipper opens up holding a bunch of cute little surprises. There's a mini notebook with real blank pages that you can write on. There are two sheets of mini stickers that are very colorful, depicting pictures of pizza, some candy, and other designs. Then we have a mini tape dispenser containing silver glittery tape with blue stars. There's also a pink clip that you can clip to the backpack and then hang it onto your bag or jeans. We also have a mini purple hair clip and a pen that actually works, perfect to write little notes or a quick message in one of the two postcards that this backpack comes with. This backpack with mini stationery surprises can be collected in different colors, and my little niece likes to contemplate trading the mini stationery items with her friends. She also can't wait to collect all the different colors and designs.